we need to think about how to let the robot to better serve people. So to achieve this goal, robot must be smarter than ever before.
So to get things kicked off for IROS 2019, I'm absolutely delighted to be joined by the Programme Chair, Professor Dong Sun. Professor, welcome. So fantastic to have the conference here in Macau.
Thank you. Yeah, it's a very attractive city.
And tell me a little bit about what is the main theme of this year's conference?
The theme of this year's conference is robots connecting people. The future robotics development will go along with human people more closely. To achieve this goal, robots must be more intelligent. So that's why we cite the theme of this year's conference as robots connecting people. This theme also reflects the name of this conference, Intelligent Robots and Systems.
Now you're expecting 3,500 people from all over the world to the conference. What would you say are some of the highlights that they could be looking forward to?
Well, we highlight the same, robots connecting people, because this is the largest intelligent robot conference worldwide. So this year we have attracted more than 3,500 participants from more than 53 countries and regions. So many experts from academia, many industrial people, also government people came to Macau to discuss what happened in the past several years in intelligent robot development, as well as what we need to go in the next 5 to 10 years.
Now that's a really interesting point, where we need to go in the next 5 or 10 years. What do you think are some of the biggest challenges facing us at the moment? The
big challenge is how to let the robots better serve people in the next 5 to 10 years. If you look at what happened in the past 50 years, we can witness a very, very good development of robots mainly for industry. For example, right now in modern manufacturing, industrial robots play a very, very important role. In the next 5 to 10 years or even longer time, long run, we need to think about how to let the robot to better serve people. So to achieve this goal, robot must be smarter than ever before, such as robot can well connected, can have well connection with human people, can serve people more intelligently. So I think this is a major challenge of the robotic development.
Give me an example of that.
For example, we talk about the healthcare robot. The robot must understand what humans feeling, what the human really want to hire. Then robot can make decisions by themselves. Another example is about unmanned air vehicle. Okay, and right now unmanned air vehicle already developed very, very fast, but we still have some distance. Okay, to let unmanned vehicle be widely used in the world, mainly let intelligent system.
Well, thank you very much indeed for that, and I'm sure it's going to be a great conference. So thank you
very much. Yeah, thank you.